Oh wow, I need something to eat. What?
If you're reading this, it's too late. Love you, Mom.
Damn, mom, not again. Hope I can find something to eat on the backyard. Wow, this jackfruit tree look nice. And there are 100 jackfruit tree there? Oh wow, that's amazing. Hey you, stop right there.
Hi, sir. No, no, nothing. Just take a look. Yeah, Oh, you have a very beautiful tree.
Nah, 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 nah. Cut this bullshit. What's on your back?
What?
Get the hell off of here. Yeah, that wasn't my jackfruit tree, that was my neighbors. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back again, Jeffsin here, and on this video I'm gonna show you about another authentic food from Belitung. It's called jemput-jemput, literally jackfruit fried. So okay, before we cook, let's take a look at the difference of the kind jackfruit that I use to jemput-jemput. And I have two jackfruits there, and the right one is jackfruit. To cook jemput-jemput, we always say it as Cempedak, and the left one is a common jackfruit, which we call it as nangka, that you always find it in the food market. They are almost same, and how we choose the right one? Well, it's easy. The Cempedak is a strong smell when it's ripe. It smells so sweet, same like durian, but it's totally sweet. So I think it's enough to describe it. You can search on Google to more about the Cempedak or jackfruit, and let's start cooking. Okay, so to cook jemput-jemput, we need the jackfruit, Chocochips, cheese, salt, 150-gram flour. I use the ratio 11 and 12 between flour and jackfruit, which means for 1 meat of jackfruit, it will mix for 2 spoons of flour. Yeah, maybe like that. Or just make sure you don't cook the flour. And a cup of water, and the last one is coconut oil. Okay, so to get the jackfruit meat, use the knife to rip the jackfruit and then get the meat from jackfruit. Oh yeah, it smells so good. And don't forget to wash your hand before this, because you don't like to eat another tasty food on it. And then use the knife to peel the meat from the seed. Yes, it also contains seed on it, and don't throw the seed to the trash bin, because it's also tasty, and we are gonna cook this seed after. Then pouring the flour step by step using the spoon, and don't pour the whole of the flour. After that, pouring the water, and do it the same way like we did for the flour. And add some salt to taste. When it's done and the dough turns like this, it's been ready to cook. Pouring the coconut oil, and then turn on the gas stove. Wait it up until the oil heat, and then add the dough to the pot. Wait it up, the dough becomes cold, and it's ready to serve. Use the tissue paper to draining the oil. When you're done with this, it's ready to serve, and then add some choco chip and cheese as the topping. And voila! Look at the jackfruit meat. Oh wow! Yeah man, really tasty. I love it. Okay, here's 4 jackfruit seed which we want to cook. We only need jackfruit seed, salt, and a cup of water. And before pouring on the pot, wash all the seeds to the water, and then leave it on for 1 hour on the water, because that's how we cook the seeds. And then when it's already 1 hour, put it on the pot, then cook it with the boiling water. Wait it up until 45 minutes or until the seeds become soft. And also add some salt to taste. Don't forget. Turn off the gas stove, drain the seed, and it's ready to eat. But don't eat the seed too much because the seed can make you fart and it smells also killing me. And peel the seed skin and then enjoy it. Bon appetit! So, just tasty. Always tasty. Okay, so guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And also keep streaming. Bisnis Nestagong. Dadah.
Did you just fart?
Yeah, sorry, mom.
You're so gross. Get the hell out from here.